Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll explain how to implement API implementation in Flutter. So you must have heard any architecture or any pattern using the REST APIs in Swift, iOS, Android, in any other languages. So in this video we'll explain how to implement the API with the MVVM pattern in Flutter. So let me show you the app first, that what we will get from the API and how will show in the device. So this is our app. We'll run it and it will fetch the list of data from the API. That API's type is get. In this you can see the list of data, and we are showing it in list view in the Flutter app. So this is the example, and let's start the code. uh, this is our code part, and first I will tell you how we are using this. This is our main view, and in the main view we are loading the post view, which is our custom class, and it extend the status widget. And here we have the future builder, and it is showing the list of data using list view. So this we have this post view model here, and it gets the data and loads here, and this is how the data is being inflated here with the help of post, if you can see. So let's move to the post view model. It has the constructor, and in the constructor we are passing the post repository object here, and then we have a method here, fetch all post, in which we are using that object of post repository and getting the data here, get all post. So let's move to this method, and this is the abstract class name, post repository. We have two methods here to get the post and to get the all post and to get the post by ID. So we are using this at the moment here. This is the post view model class, and this is our post repository object, and we have here this method. We are using this. So this is our model class. We have the ID, user ID, title and body. We are getting the JSON, we are passing the data here. So these are the classes which we are using in this MVVM pattern for Flutter. You can download the code from the GitHub, or just clone the code and run the sample and copy the code in your project. So this is it. It is very simple. You don't have to code very much. This is very simple, and if you find any problem, if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section, and please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you guys. We'll be back with another lesson.